So this is a really abbreviated version of me painting what I call lightening up the night sky. You could also look at this and maybe think this is dawn from a sort of stormy, cloudy sky. Like most of my skies, it's done primarily wet and wet layers, where I let one layer dry, re-wet either with brush if it's in the early stages, or use a spray bottle. Actually grab the board with the paper on it, shake the excess off, and then paint on it. The colors for this were a very pale burnt sienna, a thinned out Payne's gray, an indigo, and indigo mixed with Payne's gray. Because of the drying time, the actual painting took about 3.5 hours, and for these lightest layers, the earliest layers, I put the burnt sienna on first and then the light Payne's gray, both in the same layer. Let that dry, re-wet, and then went with the consecutive layers. And then from time to time, with that brush that went into the clean water, I used a little paper towel just to get the excess off, and then went through the painting and softened up some of the edges here and there. So now this is obviously going on to the second coat. So once the paper is relatively saturated, starting with that nice indigo, medium indigo, to really begin to block in where the heavy clouds are going to be, and the little bit of the ground that I actually put in, or the landscape. I'm not so much working by color as I'm working by how much moisture is on the paper. So right now, where it's pretty saturated, or as saturated as I want it to be, I work with the bigger brushes, and then once it gets a little drier, I move to the smaller brushes to do a little bit more of the detail work in the smaller clouds. And so I don't get a nice brush stroke with clouds, because I think they should be irregular. I just kind of let my hand dance around, and whatever happens, happens. Once you start putting those darks on, it really starts to form up nicely. And wow, this is a quick video, we're already on to the end. This is about the only time I'll actually spray the water directly onto the board. Usually I try to spray across so I don't disturb the under layers, but seeing as there was very little to disturb, it was okay. And of course the board's at a tilt. And that's it. Thanks for watching.